Hi everyone, I'm John, and today we're going to be talking about the triplet on the didgeridoo. I'm going to keep this one short. It's very simple technique to use, and you can use it on, on any rhythm you have. You can sort of throw it in there for a bit of spice if you want. So really, all I was doing is playing was tickada-won, do deal da, tickada-won, deal, tickada, that kind of thing. Something like that I was doing. I just made it up on the spur of the moment just to find a rhythm. I might play it in another rhythm I do, but I just did it in that one. So, but you can, as I say, incorporate into any rhythm. So, or any rhythm that's going to work. It's going to work with. So all I'm doing then is the triplet is just three sort of beats really. So tukkada, tukkada, tukkada. So if you literally pronounce tukkada, tukkada. And you can do it quick, you see. If you practice it, you can go tukkada, 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 tukkada. So you can kind of speed it up or do it slow. I'll show you on the didge. And then you can sort of speed it up. So, but start off slow, obviously, if you haven't, as if you're going to want to learn this, it's literally just pronouncing tukkada, tukkada. You're not actually vocalizing. You're not sort of, it's a passive voice. You're not using the voice for it. So it's like, and that's it, really. So, don't worry if you lose the sound when you're practicing, because it might disappear, because you can do it to start with. It's probably easier just to start. You can put a bit of sort of more of an explosive element into it, but to start with, just keep it really simple. So the easiest way to explain it is literally just pronouncing the tukkada, tukkada. If you can do that with your tongue, tukkada, it's tu, ka, da, tu, ka, da, tukkada, 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 da, tukkada, da, tukkada, da, tukkada, da, tukkada, da, like that. So you can do it as you like. And as I say, just literally have a go on the didge. Right, that's the first part. Now the second part, you can also use more of an explosive sound, which is going to just create a bit more oomph to it, which is like this. What I'm doing there is the sounds change a little bit, and it's got a little bit more sort of oomph in it. And all I'm doing is exactly the same technique, but I'm got more pressure stored in my cheek. So, and I'm forcing it through the lips. So my lips are tightening slightly. So instead of going, I'm going, the air's forcing through. I mean, once you practice the first way, just then in time you can practice that with creating more pressure. There's not really much else I can explain with the pressure, because it's just a matter of experimenting, doing the first bit and then having a go at the second bit if you want to create a more sort of explosive sound. I'll start off with the first way. I'll do it a few goes, and then I'll do a few more tighter ones with a bit more explosive to it. So it's quite easy to lose it when you go over when you do it hard, but you get a bit of practice, it'll stay there. But anyway, That's it, really. Just a nice short one, something to practice, the triplet on the didgeridoo. Anything else to say? Like with anything, really, don't get frustrated. You know, I know it's frustrating when you learn things if you can't get it, but everything takes time. You always have to keep that in mind. And if you don't get it the first time, even if it takes several goes or even a few, some depends. Some people pick things up quick and others don't. But don't worry about how slow or fast you are. Just go at your pace, practice it, come back to it if you can't do it very easily, and then just keep going. And if you lose the sound when you're playing, don't worry. Eventually it will come. It's persistence, really, like with anything. You just have to persist with it. So I think that's it, really. Good luck with that, with the triplet, and incorporate it into some of your rhythms. That's it. That's all for today.